Hi, you are welcome in IoT learning series. Today we will discuss about controlling of AC bulb with the help of Blink app. So we will simulate our project in Proteus software and we will also design the project physically, so you have to keep along with you the Node MCU board and mobile phone, and you have to keep relay and AC bulb. So let's start this video. So we will just make a circuit diagram on Proteus software. So let's open Proteus software. Here just we need to create a new project. You can assign a name of this project with any name. So I will just write here AC bulb. Let's finish this setup. As you can see, the workspace area is open. So for our project some devices is required, so for that purpose we need to click on component mode. Again we need to click on pick devices. Here first of all we required node MCU board, so we will write here node MCU. Here you will get an option for that, so click OK and it will get added in your devices list. Again we required relay, so we will type here relay. You can see here the relay is shown. Just click on OK, it will get added in your devices list. Again we required bulb, or you can say lamp. As you can see, this is the lamp. Click on OK, so it will get added in your devices list. Again we required BC547 transistor, so here you will get BC547. Now all required devices has been added in your devices. Now we will just make the connection. First of all we need to place node MCU in workspace area. Again we required relay, so we will just place here a relay. Now we will put here BC547. as you can see, this is added here. Now the lamp is left, so we will just connect here the lamp. As you can see, the lamp is placed here. Now it's turn to connect the circuit with node MCU board. So let's make it zoom in, that's why you can see it very clearly. Now we will just make the connection. This is the coil of relay, so we will just add this pin with the relay of we will add this relay terminal to the BC547. Now we will connect the positive terminal of relay with 3 volt of node MCU board, and we will connect the ground of BC547 with ground of node MCU board. As you can see, the connection is completed for relay. In the market you will get a relay for already inbuilt driver, so here we have used BC547 as driver for the relay. So we will connect the relay with pin number 4 of node MCU board. So here you can see the connection is completed. Now here we require to connect the lamp with relay switch. So first of all we will connect the relay with lamp. Other terminal of the lamp, just we need to connect with the AC supply. Here you can see the other terminal of relay. So here just we have to connect these 2 pins with AC supply, because this is 220 volt AC supply lamp. So you have to just make the exact connection with your hardware. Let's implement the connection. Just keep in mind, while using this relay module, if you have driver placed, if you have relay module, so you need not to use BC547. If you are in using relay individually, so where you require BC547. So the exact connection you have to make. Now it's turn to just program our node MCU board. For that purpose, we need to open relay, sorry, just we need to open Arduino IDE software. So let's open Arduino IDE. As you can see here, Arduino IDE software is open now. Let's explain the code which will be used in your project. So here the code is written. Before the explanation of code, just we need to configure Blink console. For that purpose, just we need to open Blink console. So open your browser and log in to your Blink account. That will provide you the connectivity with IoT platform. So here, when you will log in to your Blink IoT platform, you will be able to see this home page. So first of all, here you need to create a template. So click on add new template. Here we need to assign the name of project. So we will write here bulb. You can assign any name. So I have assigned just bulb1, and we will use ESP8266 board for hardware section. Again, you have to click on done. Wait for this process to finish. So here you can see, you have to now click on data stream. So just click on add new data stream. Here you will be able to see some options. So click on digital, and you have to click on pin option. Here you can assign any name for your data stream, but I will use just digital 0. So I will just write digital. Now here pin configuration you have to choose. We have connected the pin on pin number 2, GPIO 2. So here you have to choose pin 2 as general input output pin. So pin mode, here you have to select output. So you have to click on create option. So new data stream will be created. Now just you have to click on save option, and your project will be saved. Now you just need to click on search option, and you will be able to here add the new device. So click on add new device. Here a pop-up will be thrown. So from these three options you have to choose from template, and here you will be able to see your project which you have created earlier. So click on the project which you have created earlier. So click on this and click on create option. Here you can see the credential related to your code is provided by Blink console. Now you have to just go copy this code. When you will hover your mouse on this credential, it will just throw an option to copy the code. So click on this and your credential will be copied. Now you have to click on 9 dots, that is templates. So here you will be able to see your devices. Now click on view dashboard and click on edit option. Here we will be adding the switch to control our AC bulb. Now from the widget box, choose switch option, and here you will get an option for setting. So click on this, and here you can assign any name for your switch that is named as title. So I will use just default name. You have to click on choose data stream. Here you can see this is the data stream created earlier. So choose this and click on save option. So dashboard will be created now, and now you have to just save and apply. So your project is now created. Just you have to move on search option. Here you will be able to see your project, so click on this and click on device information. So here the credential you have to just copy. Now just we need to program our node MCU board. So open Arduino IDE software. Here on first three lines, just you need to remove these with your project credential. So copy the credential from blink console and paste here. And as we have discussed these lines earlier, here we just need to provide SSID and password for our hotspot through which the node MCU board will be connected. Rest all things I have explained earlier, so you have to just follow all these exactly. Now we just need to connect our node MCU board with your PC. As you can see here, I have just created the exact connection which I have just created in Proteus software. So now it's time to just connect our node MCU board with your PC. So let's connect it, and I have to upload the code exactly the same. You have to follow these steps. So click on tool option. Here you need to select port. So now it's time to just upload the code. So wait until finish this. First it will compile the code and it will upload to your node MCU board. Immediately after that it will just connect your node MCU board with this hotspot or Wi-Fi. So wait until finish the uploadation process. Here you can see the code is uploaded successfully. Now you have to just move in your blink console. Here as you can see, your project is online now. Here it is showing online. Initially it was just showing offline. Now as I have explained earlier, this is the AC supply which I have to give to our bulb, as I have created in Proteus software. So I will just connect this with AC supply. So let's connect it with AC supply. Now I have connected the supply with AC. So you can see now I will operate this project with our blink application. So here you can see initially the bulb is off. Now from switch I will just make it turn on. As you can see here, the wire is loose, that's why you have to ensure that the power supply should be connected with AC supply. Let's operate our project. Here you can see when just we make switch on, so LED is glowing. When we make it turn off, LED is get turned off. Again let's operate it. As you can see it's working very fine. So in the same way you can make your project. You have to follow the same connections. If you are modifying the connection, so you need to just modify the code. So our project is completed now. Thanks for your patience.